On each corner of this sheet of paper, there are positions for us to connect them together. Can you see that? And the pages are numbered as well. Do you see that? Here, the row number and column number are marked here. So we can easily assemble them into this diagram. And once we've finished assembling, this diagram will be at a 1-to-1 scale, just like how we designed it on the computer. Just like on the computer, whatever size we designed, when we print it out and piece the A4 sheets together, it will come out exactly like that. Hello everyone, today I will share with you how to print a pattern from the Gerber software onto A4 paper using a printer. So there is a simple method to do this. We will start by opening up the specific layout design that we need to print on the standard A4 size printer. And after printing out the individual A4 sheets, we can carefully piece them together to form the full pattern exactly as we want. This method is for those who do not have a plotter. That's when we make use of this approach. But if you have a plotter, then there's no reason to use this method, right? So now I will show you how to do it. You will go to File. Then we go to Send to Plot. Once you click on the Send to Plot button, a configuration window like this one will pop up on your screen. From here, you can choose the specific folder path where your PLT file will be saved. Does that sound good? We will set a path for the .plt file, also known as the .hpgl file, to be saved to any location we want, all right? Then we go into View. You will go into Plot option. Here we will check the .hpgl option. Remember to check this box for me. After that, you will click on Default to choose a path. Here, for example, I will set the file to be saved to the desktop. I will set this file to be saved to the desktop, and you can try doing the same. You can also try saving it to the desktop, right? After that, we will click OK. Next, if you want the file name of the diagram you print to be long, you can check the long file name option. Then we will click OK. So after we click OK, you will see that the export section now has a path leading to the desktop. Can you see it? Here it is. Next, you will select the annotation section. In this section, you can determine exactly how the notes will appear on the details of your project. You can simply click on the button located on the right-hand side. From there, you can choose any type of annotation or marking that you have been consistently using for your work up until now. Here, for example, on my computer, I have this option, so I will select this one. If your computer has a different name for it, you can choose that instead. Moving forward, please take a moment to note that in the plot section, you must ensure that you select the .file option, which will allow the system to generate a .hpgl file. Then you will click on this green button, Process All Markers. When you click on it, you will immediately see the word Success appear in the status section, which means it was successful. Now you can go ahead and minimize this current window, then minimize the diagram window as well. And you will see that right there on your desktop, there is a new file. This is the file we just exported. This is the specific .plt file that we need. Here, the point pelt file, and we will use this file to send it to the A4 paper printer. So how do we transfer it? Just follow what I do. You will go to this PC. You will go to the C drive, okay? Go to the C drive. Because every computer that installs the Gerber software has this folder, but we usually don't notice it. You will go into Program Files. You will go into the Common Files folder. You'll see here there's a folder called Gerber Technology, and above it you'll see another folder called Convert HPGL. You will click on this file, okay, click on it, and you'll see a window pop up like this, right? Then you will click Open. First, you will navigate to and select the desktop option so you can locate and open the file you just exported from the Gerber software as a .plt file. After that, we will go ahead and click the Open button, and immediately you will see your layout appear right here on the screen. Now, the very next step in this process is to save this file as a PDF. You will go to Save As. When you look directly underneath the section labeled Save as Type, you will find a drop-down menu where you can select the format. Here, you should go ahead and choose the Acrobat PDF format. Select this option for me then. Okay, now you will enter the name here for me. For example, here I will write T-shirt. Okay, then I will click Save. So immediately, right away, you can see here, right outside our window, there is now a PDF file, and its scale is exactly 100% compared to the scale in the Gerber software. So now, how do we print this file so that it becomes multiple A4 sheets that we can piece together? Because this is a 1-to-1 scale, we can't print it directly onto A4 paper, right? So here's what you should do. You will click on this printer option, and you will see right here, look, you can see it very clearly right here. There is a label that specifically says Foxit Phantom PDF Print. Look here, it has this label, so click on it. Make sure to check this specific box for me. And if your computer doesn't have Foxit Phantom yet, please take a look right below this video. I've included a link below so you can download it. And in there, I've provided instructions on how to install it. Just follow those steps exactly and you'll get this Foxit Phantom feature. Remember, look below this video. I've put a link there. Just click down below, okay? Click down below. I've put the link there. And now we're going to select Foxit Phantom. Please note, look to the right and select Property. And here, choose the Layout section for me. Select the paper size you want. For example, if you want A4 paper, then select A4 paper. You can choose the unit as either centimeters or inches. It's up to you. And the size of the A4 paper will appear here. And if you want to print with the paper in landscape orientation, just check this option and your paper will be set to landscape, okay? And now click OK. Next, make sure to check all pages so that it will print all the pages. Continue down to the section below and check this box for me, okay? This will split your diagram into A4 sheets. Remember, you have to check this box. And if you want each A4 sheet to have alignment marks so they fit together, check these two boxes for me, okay? Check both of these boxes. And here you can count how many A4 sheets you need to print and assemble together to create this pattern diagram. There, do you see that? And next, you just need to click OK. And please wait a moment. A new window will automatically pop up for you to save this specific file. Now, for example, I am going to save it directly to the desktop. And I might name it t-shirt, but as an A4 file, right? I can save the file just like this. Then I click Save. At this point, you can see that a brand new window has appeared here, right? And now we'll go ahead and click on the View section to properly display all of these pages, right? You might want to zoom out a bit. You will click the button to zoom out a bit so we can get a better overview, right? So we need this many sheets of paper. See, do you notice? With this many A4 sheets combined together, that's how we get this diagram. That's how we get this diagram. There, that's how we get this diagram, everyone. I'll zoom out a bit for you to see. That's how we get this diagram. See, do you see it now? This is the diagram that summarizes all the details. And this is the diagram that will be split into individual A4 sheets. And when we put these A4 sheets together, when we print them out and assemble the A4 sheets, we should also print this small diagram here so we can refer to it and assemble everything accurately. But on every single one of these sheets, I'll zoom in a bit to make it easier for you to see. On each corner of these sheets, there are markings to help us align them together. Can you see that? And it numbers the pages. Can you see that? See, it labels which row and which column right here, so we can easily assemble them into a complete diagram. And when we finish assembling them, our diagram will be at a true 1-to-1 scale, just like how we designed it on the computer. Whatever dimensions we set when printing and joining A4 sheets, it's exactly that. And that's how I print from the Gerber software onto A4 paper. It's really that simple. Regarding the Foxit Phantom software, I've put a download link below this video for you to get it. And if you're interested in a course on Gerber software, please visit this website, online.pdsfashionacademy.com. You will move your mouse to a course, scroll down, and you'll see here there's a course called Gerber Software Application Course. Click on it. At this point, you'll see all the lessons. If you register for the course, you'll be able to view all these lessons. You can view all these lessons. If you register for the course, you will be able to view all these lessons. And when you register for the course, I will provide you with an account so you can log in here like this. And you will see the View Lecture button there. Just click on it. When you click on the View Lecture button, you will be able to see all the lessons that I have guided on the left side, and you can click on the triangle button on the right side to watch the video where I am giving instructions here. And if you follow along, you will become proficient in using the software. And I have divided the lessons from easy to difficult, from commands to practical exercises, so that you can master it and apply it to your work. I will now click the back button. And please note, when you register for the course, make sure to check out the learning instructions here so you won't feel lost when you sign up. And please watch the general introduction section for me. This section is the commitment between me and you, the students. Please make sure to read this section for me, everyone. And if you want to check out other courses, you can go to the courses section here. At that point, you can see all of our courses here, and you can choose or browse as you like. If you find a course that suits you, you can message me on Zalo using this phone number. Or you can message me through my personal Facebook page here. This is Dinh Duy Cuong. So you can message me through here, or you can message me through the fan page, which is PDS Academy. And remember, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Click subscribe so that next time I release a new video, you'll be the first to see it. And if you find my sharing helpful, please share this video on your personal Facebook page. Goodbye, everyone, and see you again.